whispering that I'm not alone. I try to call a friend just to hear another voice. The phone rings and rings, but no one answers. I leave a message, my voice shaky, trying to sound casual. Hey, just checking in. Call me when you get a chance. I hang up, the silence louder than before. Afternoon drifts by in a haze. I try to read, to lose myself in someone else's story, but the words blur on the page. My mind keeps drifting back to the night before. The figure on the road, the tapping at the window, the pale face in the darkness. I wonder if it's still out there, waiting for night to fall. As the sun sets, the fear returns. It creeps in with the shadow.